Hi, I'm Rick Hutton. This is my wife Christine, and we are with Shaw Homes building a Crescent One.
Well, the best part about building with Shaw Homes has been finding all the options that we wanted to be able to find the land that we wanted and build the home that we wanted on that land.
And the renovation process and being able to pick out what you want to customize your home has been a great experience.
Shaw Homes is set apart from others because of the different style of floor plans that they offered, along with the different series of homes that we got to tour and through the models and view and decide on which one we wanted to go with.
Yes, and different locations offer different options for housing plan layouts and give you a lot of variety to pick from.
If I knew someone that was thinking about building with Shaw Homes, I would advise them to do their homework in the type of house that they want and know what they want, and also to rely on their salesperson and be upfront and honest of what they're actually looking for, because that's how they guided me to go and look at something completely different than what I thought I was going to pick.
Yes, and continue to review your options while you're in the design process, and you continue to do a lot of legwork as far as the schemes that you would like and the colors that you would like as well.